This gap right here takes up almost, and what's going on, guys? Today we are going to be putting the HD bumper together. So first thing first, you do need the HD brackets, which I have them right here. And the next thing, you're gonna need your old bumper. You're gonna need to take off every single bolt you have. So see, there's bolts on this right here, there's bolts all along there, same thing here, and same thing on this side. So you're gonna be putting those bolts on the HD bumper with the HD brackets. So I just took off these guys. These were right here. So I'm gonna take off these kits as well to put them on that one. Here's the bolts. The bolt was a size 15, so that's a size 15. Now I'm gonna be taking off. So these are clips, and then these are little ones right here. And yeah, so I guess I'm gonna be taking these off right here. Same thing on that side. Alright, we got the whole bumper disassembled. We have the middle piece right here, which is one of the brackets. We have the screws in there, the bolts. Same thing as over here. Another bracket, and we have the bolts in there. We have the plastics for the plugs off, so everything's all apart. This goes inside the plugs. There's the middle piece, and that's the valance. So now it's time to take the brackets for the HD and start assembling that and putting it all together, so we could start marking it onto the truck and see how it's gonna all line up and what we have to do. Alright guys, we have the bumper on. So we have some bolts right here with the actual what is it? With the actual brackets. And it holds on, you know, like, you know, it's still a little shaky, but I have to put a little bit more screws on. Some other bolts on. And I believe it's the bottom ones. So it could be nice and sturdy, and after that there's a bracket right here, and I'm gonna try to work with it to make this side not flimsy like this. So yeah, after that the bumper would be nice and straight. I'm try to cover up this gap right here as much as I can so it won't have that much pressure either. So I do have to take it off right now, and then I'm gonna bolt this on the bottom piece, put it back on, bolt on the last bottom lip right here, and then it'll be ready. The only thing I'll be missing is just the fogs. There's like a plastic piece, but that won't be till like a little bit later. But it was all done, is put on. I'll get you a better view. Yeah, it's nicely put on. It looks really, really nice. It brought the truck all together. There you go. It was my anniversary, so that's why I have the picture here. I'll put a picture up in the screen. So that's basically it for the HD bumper. Just have these bolts on right there. You see I have the brackets on right there. Same thing as this side. I do have zip ties holding on to this and this, but I'm gonna take it off and put the actual bolts on. So next is just the emblem, and for the sunroof, sunroof is on. So right now the only thing I gotta do is start wiring it up and then doing the headliner. There is a sunroof there. There's a webasto, and that goes the man over. Sticks out a little bit, you know, quite a bit. I didn't want to go too far back because of the actual like frame that actually has like, so it makes it the roof pretty strong. I did not want to cut that out, and like the headliner wouldn't like stay on. It'd be like hanging down, and a lot of people do that, and I hate it. I don't like it. So yeah, it's all on. Takes up almost just about everything, the whole roof basically. This is also the new build, guys. The single cab, 08, 4.8, everything's power, electric. This is the new project for the channel. I did not get it with the wheels like this either. There's some other things I took off, but I'll put a picture on the screen right now. And then I had these in the backyard, so I was like, you know, I'm gonna slap them on. I put them on. And this is what I did for now. I did put my crew on the license plates up here. And yeah, so I do have a couple plans for it. I do have stuff for it right now, so just stay tuned and you guys will see. I have a couple plans for it. You know, this is gonna be like, I'll take my time on it because, you know, I'm not in a rush or anything for this truck. Although for this one, I think this is the last update I'm gonna do for it, and the rest will be this is a secret. So this is the last time you guys will see it. So you know, there's more stuff to go on it, more stuff to do, and hopefully it doesn't take that long. Yeah, it's the last time you guys will see this truck. There's a sunroof. So if you guys have any questions, make sure you let me comment down below. Yeah, this is the last time. You know, I have smooches over there. I did take off the wheels on it. I have a couple plans for this one as well, just not right now, maybe later on in the year or something, because it's basically done. Just a few little touch-ups, but we'll go in depth on that one some other day. So that'll be the video, guys. So you guys make sure you like, subscribe, comment.